The third wave in AIMMS data management technology, in a few words, it is a collection of new technologies that really change the way in which app developers can build their data management in AIMMS apps. This third wave matters to the AIMMS app developers, people who build applications using AIMMS technology. And it matters for three reasons. It helps them improve the user experience. It makes it a lot easier for them to build data integrations, and it allows them to leverage the investments that our customers are making in centralized data repositories. Waves 1 and 2, Wave 1 was really when AIMMS started. It was data management was done with files. There was a lot of technology there to store data in files. And it worked well for many, many years. The second wave was the next evolution, if you like. We started adding support for relational databases, and we saw app developers building very advanced and sophisticated data management solutions through those relational databases. So those were the waves number 1 and 2. We're making this move because we saw 4 things happening at our customers. We saw a move towards centralized data repositories such as Databricks for Snowflake, where they store Parquet files. That was item number 1. The second one, we saw an emerging preference for using REST API services. The third one, we realized that a lot of the applications work with immutable data sets, and it makes a lot more sense to store those as files rather than store them as individual fields in a relational database. It also makes life easier for the app developers. And the fourth reason is we saw our customers adopting cloud platforms such as AWS and Azure as their primary IT platform. The move consists of four elements, 4 components. One is Data Exchange Library. That's a growing collection of functionalities which are connected to what you can call from within an AIMMS model to do all kinds of data manipulation, build REST clients, REST servers, etc. That's step number 1. The second one is adding an Azure Data Lake storage account to every cloud account. That's now becoming a very commonly used technology, and there's a lot of ready-to-use connectors to talk directly to that storage. The third one is we're adding our own connectors to make it even easier to go directly from your AIMMS model to environments such as Snowflake or Databricks by providing ready-to-use libraries for that connection. And the fourth one, there's new functionality to allow you to run Python scripts from within your AIMMS model, and we actually take care of the deployment of that Python script. So those are the 4 elements that together make the third wave in data integration. I'm talking about this because I'm excited about the technology, and I'm really keen for app developers to start exploring it, start using it, because I think it holds many benefits potentially for their users and for their own productivity. So it's really to try and inspire people to dive into this. How this changes the role of CDM, in our thinking, CDM has become even more specialized than it was before. We've recognized that CDM is not easy to implement for an app developer. It's really, really powerful when you have concurrent editing situations. But in all other situations, we would discourage you from using it and rather use this Azure Data Lake storage route that we're now rolling out. My final remarks, I've got 3. The first final remark is the purpose of talking about this is to inspire you and to create enthusiasm. Of course, I didn't share any of the details. I'm not so good on the details. Find my colleagues in user support if you are interested in learning more about this. And we've got lots of online resources for that. We've got examples, how-tos, everything to get you going. My second remark is this is new technology also for us. We're excited to see quite a few customers picking it up because in most cases, because they have these central data repositories. But it's early days for us, so we're keen to get your feedback. We're still learning, we're still improving. This will evolve over the next year or so, this technology. And my third point is, I'd like to acknowledge Marcel Roelofs, our CTO. This third move is his brainchild. It's his vision. He's mostly implemented, realized it, inspired others to do it, and thereby brought a lot of advantages potentially to both our users and our app developers.